Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to our series of VA knowledge. And for today's video, we are going to talk about what is a virtual assistant, the complete beginner's guide as of 2026. So, if you've searched how to become a virtual assistant at some point recently, you are in the right place. But before we get into how, let me start with what. Because the most common misconception about VA work is what it actually is. Most people picture a personal assistant, someone who books restaurants, pickups dry cleaning. That's not a professional virtual assistant does. And understanding the difference is the first thing that will separate you from the thousands of the people who try this and give up quickly. So, a virtual assistant is a skilled remote professional who provides business support services to clients from a distance. The word virtual just means remote. The word assistant undershells what the best VAs actually do. The clients who pay the highest rates aren't paying for someone to follow instructions. They are paying for someone they trust to own a part of their business operations independently. So the range of industries is enormous. Marketing agencies needs VA to manage content calendars and ad reports. E-commerce stores needs help with product listings and customer service. Lawyers need research assistants. Finance team needs bookkeeping support. Tech startups need project coordination. The common thread: all of these businesses have work that needs to get done reliably, and they'd rather hire a skilled remote professional than an expensive full time employee. So, here's the part that should genuinely excite you. The remote work has grown dramatically over the past decade, and that trajectory accelerated from 2020, not slowed down. The global demand for skilled remote workers is at an all time high. Filipino VAs are among the most sought after talent pools in the world. Because of strong English proficiency, a professional work culture, and a competitive rates that makes the economics works for clients across the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. Let me make this concrete with real roles currently being filled globally. An executive assistant VA managing a CEO's inbox and calendar, saving that executive 2 hours every day. A social media VA scheduling, captioning, and engaging on behalf of a growing e commerce brand. A bookkeeping VA handling invoice tracking for a small law firm. A research VA producing weekly competitor analysis for a marketing agency. A customer support VA handling tickets for a SaaS startup. These are not low skill jobs. These are real, measurable business contributions. Now, is this path right for you? Five honest questions. Do you communicate clearly in writing? Are you self directed? Can work without someone watching you every hour? Do you have a stable internet connection and a reasonably quiet workplace? Are you willing to develop one specific skill over the next 90 days? And can you commit to professional response times? Because clients are depending on you. If you answer yes to four or five of those questions, you are a strong candidate. The VA career path is not a shortcut. It's a real career that rewards skill, reliability, and continuous learning. The people who do it well earn excellent income, work from home, and build long term client relationships that last years. That's what Remote VA Institute is here to help you build. So keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to subscribe to Remote VA Institute for more videos. See you on the next one.